Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're doing something super cool. We're gonna literally transform your everyday kitchen table into a full-blown DIY science lab. We're taking just a few basic items to reveal something, well, something truly extraordinary right before your eyes. Seriously, get ready to have your mind blown by some everyday magic.
So how do you make an invisible force visible? Think about that for just a second. How exactly do you take something you can physically feel, but never actually see, and put it right in front of your own eyes? Okay, let's dive into this.
Section 1. Revealing Invisible Forces. The Unseen Artist.
We're looking at a pretty fascinating experiment detailed by the DIY Science Lab. And you know what the beautiful irony here is? To witness one of the most incredible invisible forces in the universe, you don't need some multi-million-dollar particle accelerator. No way. Abstract magnetism is made tangible using just a couple of basic household items and some simple metal dust. It's wonderfully accessible to absolutely anyone.
Section 2. Setup and safety first. Preparing the canvas. Now, every great home scientist knows a properly prepared workspace is absolutely the foundation of a successful experiment, right? So, for this, we're going to need a battery-powered magnet, a simple sheet of cardboard, and some iron filings. Actually, think of it like this. The cardboard is our blank canvas. The filings are our paint. And that magnet sitting underneath, well, that's our unseen artist, quietly orchestrating the whole masterpiece we're about to create.
But hey, before we assemble our materials, I really need to emphasize something incredibly important. Do not touch the filings directly. Remember, we are working with tiny shards of metal here, and basic safety definitely has to come first, so we can, actually enjoy the incredible results.
To quote our source directly on this, avoid directly touching the filings and wear safety glasses while handling magnets and metal shavings. So the crucial point is, protect your eyes and keep your bare hands off the metal dust. Once you've got your safety glasses firmly on and you're treating the materials with the proper respect, we are ready for the fun to begin.
Section 3. Building the sculpture. The magical reveal.
Okay, let's walk through this sequence, because it's super exciting. Step 1. Lay your battery-powered magnet flat on the table and place the cardboard directly over it. Easy enough. Step 2. Carefully, and remember, without touching them directly, sprinkle your iron filings evenly over the top of the cardboard canvas. Right now, it just looks like a messy, chaotic pile of dark dust, right? But then comes step 3. You activate the magnet, and literally instantly, that scattered dust snaps to attention, building upward into this breathtaking three-dimensional structure. I'm telling you, it is genuinely thrilling every single time you see it happen.
Section 4. The science of magnetism. From mystery to mastery. Let's move to and see how this builds.
So let's transition from the mystery of that magical reveal to the actual physics behind it. Those iron filings are ferrous particles, which basically means they're materials inherently pulled and guided by unseen magnetic forces. The exact moment that magnet is activated beneath the cardboard, it generates a powerful, completely invisible magnetic field. That field projects upward, passing right through the solid barrier of the cardboard and instantly acts upon those ferrous particles, physically dragging them into these highly specific, organized formations. It's like an invisible hand just moving everything into perfect place.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the stark contrast here. On one side, we have abstract magnetism. These are massive, unseen forces constantly at work all over the world around us, from holding notes on our refrigerators to literally protecting the Earth from solar winds. We can't see them. But on the other side, we have tangible science. When we use those filings, the invisible suddenly becomes this highly visible landscape of distinctive, curved patterns tracing the field lines right before our very eyes. And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates how the universe organizes itself when we finally know exactly how to look for it.
Which brings us to a rather profound thought to wrap up our explainer today. Think about it. If a tiny, battery-powered magnet sitting under a simple piece of kitchen cardboard has the absolute power to instantly organize and shape chaotic metal dust into a complex, beautiful structure, well, what other unseen fields are shaping our world? What invisible forces are guiding the larger universe around you right now? Keep asking those big questions, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next explainer.